How do I download and install Google Play on my Samsung Smart TV?
Hey there, welcome to this video tutorial on how to download and install Google Play on your Samsung Smart TV. If you're looking to expand your entertainment options and access a wide range of apps, Google Play is a great addition to your Smart TV. So, let's get started.
Checking compatibility.
The first thing you need to do is check if your Samsung Smart TV is compatible with Google Play. Not all Samsung Smart TVs have built-in support for Google Play, so it's important to confirm this before proceeding. To do so, follow these steps. 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and navigate to the Settings menu. 2. Scroll down and select Support or About this TV. 3. Look for the model number of your TV. It is usually displayed in the format UNCSIAs or UEXIAs, where XX and YY represent the series and ZZ represents the screen size. 4. Note down the model number for future reference. Now that you have your TV's model number, let's move on to the next section.
Installing Google Play.
If your Samsung Smart TV is compatible with Google Play, you can proceed with the installation process. Here's how to do it. 1. Grab your TV remote and press the Smart Hub button to open the Smart Hub menu. 2. Navigate to the Apps section and select it. 3. In the Apps section, scroll to the right and locate the magnifying glass icon or the search option. 4. Select the search option and using the on-screen keyboard, type Google Play. 5. As you type, suggestions will appear, and once Google Play Store appears, select it. 6. On the Google Play Store page, select Install to begin the installation process. 7. The Google Play Store app will now begin to download and install on your Samsung Smart TV. 8. Once the installation is complete, select Open to launch Google Play on your TV. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and installed Google Play on your Samsung Smart TV.
Signing in to Google Play.
To fully utilize the features of Google Play on your Samsung Smart TV, it's recommended to sign in with your Google account. This will enable you to download and install various apps from the Google Play Store. Here's how you can sign in. 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Samsung Smart TV. 2. On the home screen of the Google Play Store, navigate to the top right corner and select the gear or settings icon. 3. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Sign In. 4. Enter your Google account credentials, email address and password, using the on-screen keyboard. 5. After entering your credentials, select Sign In to proceed. 6. Once signed in, you can now browse, download, and enjoy a wide range of apps from the Google Play Store on your Samsung Smart TV. And that's it. You've learned how to download and install Google Play on your Samsung Smart TV. Now you can explore and enjoy the vast collection of apps available on the Google Play Store, right on your TV. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming!